Hi guys, I just arrived here in North Carolina in Durham. So this is my hotel. Okay, so I have my roommate here but wala pa siya, hindi pa siya dumating. So meron pa kaming TV and this is my bed and I have my balcony here. So here in North Carolina there are many trees. So sagana sila sa forest dito. Okay, so I will be staying here for 3 days for our seminar. So ito po ang kanilang comfort room. So maganda. So 3 days na po tayo lang ligo dahil 32 hours yung biyahe natin mula Pilipinas hanggang dito sa North Carolina. So maliligo na po tayo. I received this folder kanina sa function hall ng hotel sa isang staff ng aming visa sponsor. And ano bang laman nito? So I have my ID. So this is my ID. So Nidal Omar. So this is my school, Edgecombe Country Public Schools, and the subject that I will be teaching here. And also they gave me small money, this one. So magkano may yung amount na ibinigay nila. So they gave me $12 for anything, for anything that I want to purchase here in the hotel. Okay, thank you so much. And I have also my t-shirt. I have my t-shirt and some documents that I will be needed for the orientation. So that's all, and I will just stay here and relaxed